Hello everyone. I'm Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. Today, I'll guide you through the process of claiming the Glacier Bay warranty. Don't forget to subscribe to Warranty Valet for more helpful warranty claim guides and tips. Visit the Warranty Valet website to claim your Glacier Bay warranty in 3 simple steps. It commences with guidelines for return policy and ends with reaching out to the customer support team members for warranty claims or returns. You can contact them either by using the email address or the phone number 855-434-5224. Active from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. 7 p.m. and Saturday, 9 a.m. 6 p.m. EST. At the bottom of Glacier Bay's support page, you'll find various information, such as tracking an order, canceling an order, and shipping and delivery details at the top of the page. You can claim your warranty if you find the live chat option located in the middle right section of the page. Next, the link will take you to the customer support page. You can contact the support team via chat, phone, or email. The live chat hours are the same as phone support hours. You may need to provide your details, receipt, SKU, and issue description. Once submitted via phone or email, the team will review your claim and, if covered under warranty, provide a replacement for defective parts. As we wrap up, keep in mind that if you encounter any challenges or have questions about the warranty process, don't hesitate to reach out to us through the Warranty Valet website. We've helped countless customers in the past, and we're here to support you as well. Until next time, take care.